Dear students, welcome to the first online lecture of biology for class 7th. The name of the chapter is Organization in Living Things. In this chapter, we are going to study what is an organization in living, what is tissue, what are different types of tissue in animals and plants. This is the outline of the chapter. So let us move to the forefront, which is organization in living things. Let us understand it. Organization. For example, your school is an organization. Why it is an organization? Because it has certain subunits which together constitute your school. What are those subunits? It's administration, management, teachers, students, and non-teaching staff. These together form an organization called your school. In the similar manner, living things also have some kind of organization. You all know that living things are of two types: unicellular and multicellular. In unicellular, there is only a single cell, like amoeba, chlamydomonas. This single cell perform all functions, whether it is respiration, digestion, excretion. Everything will be performed by this single cell. While in case of multicellular organism, there are millions of cells. What has to happen here now? In this organism, what happens is there are millions of cells, and these cells are of different shape, size, structure, and function. And they have to carry all the activity of the body together. So what the multicellular organism do is they try to make their system efficient. How they can make their system efficient? This can be done only when they organize themselves, so that some cell will perform some function, another cells will perform another function. For example, nervous tissue will perform function of control and coordination. Okay. In the same manner, muscular tissue will perform function of contraction, relaxation, etc. Okay. So these cells organize themselves to perform particular function and form tissues. So now you understand why the nature has made multicellular organism and organized them into tissues, organ and organ systems. This is the reason, that is to make the process efficient and functioning smooth in multicellular organism. So what are the organizations that exist in a human being or a multicellular organism? From lower level to the higher level, we will get through this. Okay. Cell is the lowest, then come tissue, after that comes organ. Group of tissues form organ. After that comes organ system. After that come organism. Okay. This is how the organisms has an hierarchy or order for performing functions efficiently. Okay. So now we will be getting through the definition of tissue. What is a tissue and what it stands for. So tissue is a group of similar cells in structure that works together to perform a particular function. This is the definition of tissue. Example, as you all know, nervous tissue. Okay, here we complete the organization and the definition of tissue. Okay.